Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to embed a YouTube video like this one in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites and click on this edit website button next to the website you want to embed a YouTube video on. This is my website inside Hostinger website builder, and let's say that I want to embed my YouTube video here. Let's delete or let's say that I want to embed my new YouTube video here. Just click on add element and select this video element, drag and drop it like that, and click on this edit video. If you don't see it, just select the video element again and click on edit video. Here, delete this video link and add your own. This is my YouTube video link. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. This is my YouTube video link. Just paste it like that. Here you can select between auto playing this video after loading your website page. You can also loop this video, which means it will keep repeating itself after ending. And here you can show in the video controls or not. Let's show the video controls. You can hide the video controls of your Vimeo video if you're a paying video user. Now let's switch to the animation tab. Here you can add an animation like this. This is fade, this is the slide effect, or this is the scale effect. Now click on this update website button to publish these changes. Let's view my website live. Scroll down to my video, and this is my video here. Before wrapping this video, let's see how to resize this YouTube video. Just select it from like that and make it bigger or adjust it as you want. I update my website, view site, and now my video is big. And this is how to embed a YouTube video in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.